Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to delete Facebook account permanently. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to delete your Facebook account permanently, then I will show you how to do this. Guys, what you have to do, you have to just log in your Facebook account on your browser. After that, in top right side corner you will find profile icon, tap on that. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. In left side you will find password and security. Tap on that. In left side you will find personal details. Tap on that. Then tap on account ownership and control. In this you will find deactivation or deletion. Temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account and profiles. Click on that. Select the account which you want to delete. Then select the second option, delete additional Facebook profile. Deleting your additional Facebook profile is permanent. When you delete your profile, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook as this profile. Your messenger and all of your messages will be also deleted. After reading this carefully, just select this option, then click on continue, then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can delete your Facebook account permanently. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.